Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an awesome product that I'm super excited to install on the truck. I've been wanting this forever, but disclaimer, I have no affiliation with this company. This company did not reach out to me. I am just doing this because I feel like I'm gonna like their product and I want it on my truck. So let's do it. This is it. This is what showed up on my front porch, and it's huge. Bigger than I thought it was. So let's open it and see what it looks like. First impressions, not bad. So let's get this box out of the way and all of the foam packaging. When I purchased this awning, they did ship their own version of their awning brackets. So let's go take a look at those. So Body Armor was gracious enough to also ship their hardware for the awning that they shipped. So this here is their mounting brackets. So let's take a look at what those look like and see if they're worth using. This looks like the straps to secure it to the truck once it's fully open, so you can stretch it open. These appear to be the mounting brackets, more foam. We got a really nice bag here that feels like it's some rope and some tent stakes. All right, so in the bag, you get the hardware needed, you get some tent stakes, which are pretty beefy, then you get a lot of rope to secure it, I guess. So this here is their awning mount bracket. So that looks like everything that comes in the box. And I guess now it's time to install this thing and see if it meets up to our standards. Super quick and easy install. Now, the way I mounted it, I don't recommend you mount it that way. I suggest you use the mounting brackets that came with it or something that's a little more beefier than what I have. But for now, I'm gonna make what I have work. That way I can lay eyes on this and see what it looks like and how it works, because I'm super excited about this. So, super easy install. Now let's open this sucker. Awning is freestanding, but it also comes with legs to help support it in windier conditions. So another option with this is you can get a room that goes all the way around this. Pretty neat. Alright, so that was a pretty sweet review, if I say so myself. So far, 10/10, I'd recommend getting one. I cannot wait to use it out in the woods and put it through its actual true test. But for right now, pretty sweet. And again, I have no affiliation with this company. This was something I purchased with my own money to put on my truck, something I was interested in. Right now, you can get 50% off of certain products while supplies last through their website. And if you sign up for their emails, you get an additional 10% off. So 60% off of certain products. I say that's a pretty sweet deal. So if you're interested, check out Skyridge Body Armor 4x4 for more information. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one.
I think I should quit. I'm a Murphy. Anything can go wrong, it will.